7 Mindsets of Successful Entrepreneurs. Change of any kind starts internally, in the mind. If you want to change your life, whether big or small, you have to have a success mindset. The best way to break free from old ways of thinking is to shift your perspective on situations and be more innovative in your approach. Here are 7 mindsets that must be possessed in order to become a successful entrepreneur. 1. Mindset to live with intention. Most people don't haphazardly look for jobs and form relationships without knowing their potential, or what they hope to do with their lives. If you want to live your best life, you have to act with intention and be willing to maintain effort and motivation over the long term. You have to believe you have it in order to create your best life. After making these changes, you will be empowered to withdraw from the things that waste your time, energy, and finances. Focus on what you need to do to create the best reality and start living a happy and prosperous life. 2. Own your strengths. Everyone has an inner source of strength that drives them. This is the strength you get from overcoming obstacles. But most of us don't really realize what makes us strong or how we can use our abilities most effectively. The problem is that we don't tend to see ourselves as capable, dynamic, strong, or influential. We dwell on our faults and shortcomings, and this makes us feel small. Finally, we let our strength run out. Take time to reconnect with yourself and acknowledge your beliefs. 3. Focus on quality over quantity. Learn to keep things simple by focusing on quality over quantity. By doing this, you will end up earning more money. This mental shift keeps you focused on using your resources wisely, so you will manage your time, money, mental and physical energy carefully and thoughtfully. Quality has more to do with depth, such as ensuring a task or goal is completely completed, which usually leads to better results. For example, if you are selective about who you hire, you will get quality workers who are better suited to your business and team. By being thoughtful about what projects you undertake, you will focus on areas in which you have expertise. This is where you will naturally thrive and excel. Thus, you stand a better chance of not only standing out for your excellent work, but also building your reputation and continuing to drive your business as a whole. 4. Give value to others and stop being selfish. Helping others is not a bad thing to do. When you help others, you also get rewarded. After all, while hinting at gain, more importantly, it leads to personal growth and good feelings. The first step in giving value to others is to stop being selfish. Practice being really interested in other people and be authentic in your dealings with other people. Stop focusing so much on how people react to you, and you will stop taking things so personally. This will allow you to stop overreacting to things. Nothing is as broad as your mind to allow yourself to truly see the world from another person's point of view. When you focus on the value you provide to others, you begin to see the needs of others more clearly. 5. Understand your value. People see you through the lens of how you project yourself. The energy, confidence, and attitude you carry are key in projecting yourself as someone who is confident and cheerful. Therefore, never underestimate your worth and worth. It's not just about your credentials, education, and experience. Instead, it's about your ability to show the world how great you are at day-to-day dealings with other people. Every interaction is an opportunity to pinpoint exactly what you have to bring to the table and why you stand out from the crowd. You must value and make full use of your every talent, improve your skills and earn your mark. 6. Think and act big. Great success comes when you are inspired and go after what you want. But, like most things in life, there are levels to this. You may feel inspired but too scared to fully embrace your passion. You may be going in the right direction, but it's too reserved. If that was the case, even if you managed to reach your goal, you would never feel the feeling of victory that you might have had with more courage. Stop being business as usual. Step 1. Banish the phrase, "We've never done it like this before." Instead, ask yourself how you can go bigger. How can you go beyond that? What's the next level you want to reach? That's where your goal is. Stop letting your ancient mindsets, fears, and beliefs hold you back. Embrace the bigger thought. 7. seeing failure as an important step towards success. Failure is an absolute necessity for success, but the trick is that failure is also all about how you frame it. Instead of thinking of it as a mistake that you can never live with, recognize that failure is nothing personal. Your approach failed and an error was made. You, as a person, have not failed. Don't let your ego blind you to the lessons you need to learn. Try to analyze the problem causing the error.